Welcome back to Money Man Majid. My name's Majid. Have you been wondering how to make money on eBay and wanting to know what you can do and what you can sell on eBay easily, quickly, pain-free? This is what we're going to talk about today. A friend of mine has been selling coupons on eBay and making lots of money. He's made about $5,000 to $6,000 in the last couple of weeks just selling coupons. Many of you are probably wondering, how does he make so much money just selling coupons on eBay? It's such a challenging thing. Coupons aren't worth anything. Well, in this particular way, in this particular style, these coupons are very valuable, and he's only taking a percentage off the top and allowing the customer to keep the majority of the savings. So let's get into this and exactly how is he doing this, and maybe some way that you could replicate that with not necessarily the same coupon, or maybe you can find another coupon that's very similar to this and cash in on this. So what is this coupon that he's been doing? This is specifically the Home Depot 15% off coupon. This is a maximum up to $200 savings on literally just about anything in the store that you can buy. And it's primarily used online. So you're going to make an online purchase of, say you're buying a whole bunch of kitchen cabinets and it's going to be $2,500. You apply this coupon, it's going to save you up to $200. And the way that my friend has been cashing in on this is he sells the coupon for between $30 and $50 on eBay, and the customer saves $200. So in the end, the delta that the customer is saving is between $150 and $170 when they buy a $30 to $50 coupon. It's quite a bit of savings for not a lot of investment. And then for my friend, it's quite a bit of profit for not a lot of work. Now, how is he getting these coupons? How has he gotten so many of them? This is where the trick comes in, and you got to kind of play the system, play the game a little bit. He's getting multiple email addresses and attending the Home Depot training webinars. And that's how you get the coupons. You attend these Home Depot online training webinars, and at the end of the webinar, you're going to be applying for that coupon, and the coupon is emailed to you. You get a specific code, it's good for a couple weeks, and then you're able to in turn use that code for whatever purchase you want to do. Now, instead of him using the coupon code himself, he's turning around and selling it on eBay. He's not the only one doing this. There are multiple other vendors that are doing this as well. All over the world, we've been noticing coupons popping up from vendors from just about every single country. And all it is they got to email you a coupon code when it's all done. So basically the gist of it is he attends the online webinar, and then after the 45-minute or an hour webinar, he fills out the application to get the coupon code, and the coupon code is emailed to him. After the email is received, he takes that coupon code, lists it on eBay, and once the sale is complete, he will email that coupon code to the buyer. And in most cases, the buyers want the codes immediately. So you need to be on the ball, be ready to email the code to the buyer immediately after the sale, and you're going to have a lot of happy customers. I've seen him go through a couple hundred coupon codes and cash in quite a bit of money. You all can do this too, and doesn't have to necessarily be an Home Depot coupon code. It could be for Lowe's, it could be for any department store, any grocery store. There's also a whole bunch of coupons on eBay that are clipped from magazines. And, many times people just are like, I'm going to clip a whole bunch of coupons, but they're extras. They don't need them. Or they're clipping them just to be able to bundle them together and to get a big group of coupons and to list them on eBay and sell them on eBay. And you can look on there as well and look for coupons on there to see if there's any that maybe are worthwhile for you, or get an idea of what else can you clip and sell yourself. And in many of those, you're going to have to just throw a 52-cent stamp on those, or 48-cent stamp, whatever the stamps cost these days, and mail it out. And in a few days, your customer is going to have the physical coupon. Now, you can continue to sell coupons over and over again because they're expiring and you're always needing to update those and look through the clippings and magazines and pick more up. It's a great way to supplement extra income, easy to sell, and pretty pain-free. Something else beyond coupons, if you have a whole bunch of them, maybe from gifts or just from returns that you don't have, are gift cards. And this is a great way to cash in those gift cards if they're from a store that you're never going to go to, or if you're like, this gift card's going to expire before I get to use it, maybe somebody else should have it. You can turn around and sell this gift card online on eBay nearly for face value. So if you have a $100 gift card for maybe Apple Store, and you like Androids, and you know you're not going to go to the Apple Store, you could throw that on eBay, and in many cases, you'll be able to get that $100 back just about immediately on eBay by selling that gift card. And it's going to be across the board for just about any vendor with gift cards. Keep that in mind. These are some tips, out-of-the-box ideas that you can definitely consider and think of. Coupons, gift cards, clippings like this. Many people buy them. Keep that in mind. And hopefully you can get some ideas and brainstorm additional ideas of what you could sell on eBay. If you have any questions about this, put those down in the comments below. We're going to collaborate with you on those and hopefully be able to help you succeed in this endeavor of entrepreneurship. Looking forward to speaking with you down there. Give us a thumbs up as well. Share this with your friends and family. If there's anybody that you may feel will benefit and gain value from this video, we'd be happy if you could share that for us. Looking forward to speaking with you later. Talk to you later.